All right, today I'm going to show you how to operate a Frigidaire washing machine and dryer combo. Right here is the washing machine and dryer. I'm going to show you how to operate both of these. The first thing I'm going to show you how to do is the washing machine, and then we'll get to the dryer right after this. All right, so right here I have the washing machine. Right here, the lid is open. I have clothes ready to be put inside of the wash machine. Now look at that. That's a deep wash machine right here. It's a top-loading wash machine. And I have detergent right here. And if you want to add right here liquid bleach, you can add liquid bleach. I'm not going to have her use liquid bleach. I'm just going to go ahead and wash this. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my detergent. I have 1 pod of all stain lifters, free and clear. I'm going to drop that into the drum. Just let that sit at the bottom of the drum. And then I'm going to take my clothing and go ahead and top the clothing inside of the washing machine right here. Get that all dirty clothing inside of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and shut the lid. And then I'm going to come over here and make my selections. Now you can see on the right hand side are the dry cycles. We'll go over that after we do the wash cycle. So I'm going to come over here, the wash cycle. All right. So what I'm going to do right here is first I'm going to select the type of wash that I have. Okay. There are a lot of selections right here. There is a rinse and spin. If you just want to rinse and spin your laundry, you have the soak option. You have the light soil. You have colors, heavy soil, bulky, normal, active wear for a sports wear or whatnot. You have delicates, and you also have quick wash if you just need the clothes wash really quickly. All right, so I'm going to make my selection over here. Normally, I will go with colors, but I like to wash my clothes on the delicate wash because I like my clothes to last a little bit longer. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put it under delicate wash. All right, so once I have delicate wash, I come over here and I have to make a selection of temperature. You can go from cold, warm, and for the delicate wash, you can only do cold or warm. But if you wanted to hot wash, you could select this over to normal or one of the other cycles, and you can actually go to hot. Okay, I'm not going to do hot today. So I'm going to go over to delicates. All right, so it's on delicates. And the next is the water level. You can go from max fill, medium to low. All right, so not many clothes in there. I could go with low. However, I want my clothes to be washed thoroughly, and I want them to be rinsed thoroughly, and I tend to go with max fill. All you people out there who are energy conservationists and green tree huggers, you're probably not going to like me right now, but that's what I'm going to go with. All right, so the next, after I've made my selection for the cycle, I'm going to come over here. I made the selection for the temperature wash, the water level, and then the only thing next is the start button. All right, so right here is the start button. I'm going to press it, and it's going to go ahead and start, and it indicates right here what level it's on right here. It goes from washing, rinsing, spinning to done. All right, and if you want to cancel the wash, you just press the cancel button, or if you want to pause it to put other clothes in, you press the pause button, put the clothes in, and start it up again. All right, if there's a problem with the wash, it indicates right here for close, washer lid, or balance load. All right, so that's how you operate the wash machine on the Frigidaire. I'm going to show you how to operate the dryer in a second.